translation, no hesitation, no panic. How beautiful will it be when we directly speak in English? But होता क्या है, पहले हम हिंदी का सेंटेंस सोचते हैं, देन परफेक्ट ग्रामर सोचते हैं, देन परफेक्ट वोकैबुलरी सोचते हैं, देन इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, और इतने में तो दिमाग का दही हो जाता है, एंड वी गिव अप. But deep down you also know one thing. If you think directly in English, you can speak English better. So today in this video, I am giving you shortcuts, magic tricks, some unrealistic promises. No, I'm giving you 3 exercises that will gradually train your brain to think in English naturally. So let's begin. Exercise number 1, picture postmortem. Yes, we need to do postmortem but of a picture. करना कुछ नहीं है, बस एक पिक्चर लो और उसको इंग्लिश में डिस्क्राइब करना शुरू करो. Now, this is the most practical and beginner-friendly technique. Why does this work? Because it forces your brain to think directly in English without depending on Hindi. How to do it? Step number 1, pick any picture from Pinterest, Google, or even from your gallery. Step number 2, look at that picture for 30 seconds. Step number 3, start describing that picture in English without any translation. Just say what you see. Do you want to do it with me right now? So this is the picture over here. So let's describe it. Okay, so in this picture I can see a family of 4 standing close together in a snowy forest. The father is wearing a dark jacket and a maroon beanie. The mother is in front of him and she looks really warm and happy. She has beautiful long wavy hair and she looks really happy. She's smiling softly while hugging the 2 kids. Both the children are wearing winter clothes. One, the baby girl is wearing a cream colored knitted beanie and the baby boy is wearing a brown beanie. They are leaning towards each other, they're smiling and holding on to their parents tightly. And if I talk about the background, there is snow on the ground and some trees are there in the background. So it looks like a cold winter day. But despite the cold, the whole picture feels so warm, like a moment of love and closeness. And that's it. That's what you have to do. And if you have a hard time making sentences, start with words like hugging, snowy forest, 4 people, winter clothes, and then slowly start making sentences. Do this exercise 5 minutes a day and your brain will slowly start making sentences in English naturally. Exercise number 2, observe your surrounding. Now, this is the real game changer because throughout your day you have thousands of thoughts. Most of them are useless, complaining, overthinking, planning. What if you shifted just 10% of those thoughts into English? You don't need any notebook, you don't need any teacher, you don't need any fancy grammar. You just need your mind that you already have. This is a powerful exercise. If you get used to it, it can completely change how you think. And the best part about it is, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Even if you are at work, at school, at home, while walking, while traveling, while waiting, anytime, anywhere. How to do it? So wherever you are, start giving English commentary in your head. Okay. For example, let's say you are in a bus, then you can have thoughts like, the seat is quite comfortable. This child looks very excited. Ew, this window is very dirty. Oh, look at that park. I wish I could visit that sometime. I'll reach in 20 minutes. If you're cooking, then you might have thoughts like, the oil is hot now. I need to chop 2 more onions. I hope I do not burn this today. If you are walking on the road, then the road is quiet today. The shops are still closed. I like this weather. Now, these are some simple sentences, but you're training your mind to think directly in English. इससे 2 चीजें होंगी. Number 1, it breaks the translation habit. पहले आप क्या कर रहे थे? हिंदी में सोच रहे थे, then English में translate कर रहे थे. But now you're directly thinking in English, and that's a plus point. दूसरी बात, आपका confidence build होगा, because no one can hear your thoughts, no one can judge you now. आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होगा. बट हाँ, मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगी कि अगर आपके आसपास कोई नहीं है देन स्पीक आउट लाउड. इससे आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्लियर होगी और आपकी स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस भी होगी. So do this whenever you remember. Slowly, automatically, your mind will start using English as a default language. Exercise number 3. Recap your day in English. Recap means remembering or summarizing something. So before going to bed, recap or summarize everything that happened throughout the day. For example, I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. I made my breakfast. I had breakfast. Then I finished my work. I had some online classes. And then I went out in the afternoon. I talked to some of my friends. I watched a movie. Okay? So basically, say everything that happened to you throughout the day. And if nobody is around you, say that out loud. इससे आपकी speaking practice भी हो जाएगी. And this habit is quite easy to maintain. क्योंकि आप रोज एक ही टाइम पर तो सोते हो, तो आपको याद रहेगा कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है. सोने से 5 मिनट पहले रोज ये करना है अभी. How long will this take? Now let's be honest, thinking in English won't happen in 2 days. But if you follow these exercises, within 7 days, you will find some thoughts naturally appear in English. Within 15 to 20 days, you will stop translating small sentences. Within 30 to 40 days, English will become your default mode of thinking. And now this is not magic. This is training plus consistency. And if you stay consistent, thinking in English will become effortless. Just like how you breathe, you walk, you scroll reels. Alright, that's it for the day. Now don't just watch this video, apply what you learned. And I'll see you in the next one.